and gentlemen, prepare your taste buds for this culinary adventure. Imagine boiled potatoes and sweet corn, elevated with a delicious marinade that's buttery, garlicky, and smoky. This paired with succulent shrimp that offer a tender bite along with slices of kielbasa, bringing a burst of smoky richness that transforms this dish into something truly unforgettable. This isn't just dinner, it's an invitation to indulge in the symphony of flavor, where every bite tells a delicious story. Are you ready to savor this mouth-watering experience?
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old.